Dear students, now I am going to teach you 8th question, which is from exercise 1.3. So class 7, look at very carefully. So what is our question? Read our question first. What is our question? A cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag of white cement sold and a loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement sold. Now we have to find the company sells 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement in month. What is the profit or loss? Here profit in positive integer, we denoted here profit in positive integers and loss in negative integers. So according to question, cement company earns a profit on selling one bag. Okay, remember this thing, one bag selling of white cement is rupees what? What is given in question? Question is cement company earns a profit on selling one bag of white cement is equal to rupees 8. Okay, one bag is equal to rupees 8. Then cement company earns a profit on selling 3000 bags of white cement. How can you find? If one bag given 8 and 3000 we have to find. Simply we will multiply. So 3000 multiply by 8, we will get 24,000, right? So rupees 24,000 means 3000 bags. So comes in next loss statement. Loss on selling one bag of grey cement. Okay, not white cement. Grey cement is minus 5 per bag. As I have already told you that loss in negative integers. So we denoted here minus sign. Okay, don't be confused कि minus कहाँ से आ गया. Minus negative integers. Okay, loss on selling one bag of grey cement is minus 5 per bag as given in question. Now what next? Loss on selling 5000 bag. If one bag loss is minus 5. So 5000 bag loss is simple. 5000 multiply minus 5. What we will get? Answer is in minus because loss. Okay, 5 is a 25 means 25,000. So rupees 25,000. Now loss on selling 5000 bag of grey cement is minus 25,000. Now let us come in statement. So what is our next statement? Total loss or profit earned by the cement company. Okay. So what is the total? Like first in white cement profit rupees 24,000. Okay. And now next is loss in grey cement. What loss? Minus 25,000. Right. So what we have to do is total. We have to find total loss or profit. So plus. Okay. This is profit and this is loss. So now you know that plus minus is minus. Now our answer is rupees 1,000 and greater sign is minus. So apply here minus. And as you know, negative integers will represent loss. So thus answer is a loss of rupees 1,000 will be incurred by the company. Okay, this is our answer. So now comes in question number 8, B part. So what is our question? In B part, what is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of grey bags sold is 6,400 bags? So first we know cement company earns a profit on selling one bag of white cement is rupees 8 per bag. This is given in question. So write this statement first. And now Let us come next. Let the number of white cement bag be X, because we don't know in question there is a number of white cement is not given. So number of white cement bag be X. Now what next? Cement company earns a profit on selling X bag of white cement. Now cement company प्रॉफिट कितना अर्न कर रही है एक्स बैग को सोल्ड करने में, वो हम यहाँ पर देखेंगे. सो 8 पर कॉस्ट, वन कॉस्ट इज 8, नंबर ऑफ बैग्स इज x, तो x into 8, that means 8 into x is 8x. Now we have to assume this value 8 into x. Now comes in next, loss on selling 6,400 bags of grey cement is equal. So in question this is given, right? Read the question. This is given that loss on selling one bag of grey cement is -5 rupees, -5 per bag. Loss is given already in question. Okay, read the question. There is -5 is given. So loss on selling 6,400 bags of grey cement. Simple, we will multiply 6,400 into -5. 6,400 into -5. So what we will get? Minus 32,000 rupees. Minus rupees 32,000. This is loss on selling 6,400 bags of grey cement, okay, not white cement. According to question, now what we have to do is, now according to question, company must sell to have neither profit nor loss. That means profit plus loss is equal to 0. Neither profit nor loss, that means 0. Now what our next statement is, by selling -32,000, profit what? 8x, right? 8x हमने जो निकाला था पहले, इसके बाद प्लस एंड -32,000 which is loss, okay, and equal to 0. Equal to 0. Okay, now what? Now our next statement, 8x here -32,000 will transfer that side. Here is minus, that 0 plus 32,000. Okay, this is like equation, solving equation. Okay, transfer 32,000 minus will convert into plus. Now what? Variable 8 into x. So x equal to here 32,000. Now 8 is in the form of multiplication, 8 into x. So we will transfer 8 and division. Okay, by sending right hand side we will get division of 8. Now what we will get? X is equal to 8, 1s are 8 and 8 4,000. That means answer is 4,000. Statement, hence the 4,000 bags of white cement have neither profit nor loss.